A mechanism very similar to this is exactly what I used for the movie Constantine. I'm not sure if it made it into the movie or not. For the movie Constantine, there was a scene where it was supposed to be the day after the Keanu Reeves character, John Constantine, wakes up in a hotel room with a half-human, half-demon prostitute that he spent the night with, of all strange things. And it's a complete throwaway in the movie, but they're having a conversation, and under the sheet is a mechanism just like this. It didn't even have a skin on it. It's just a mechanism. And I'm moving it back and forth because she's supposed to be like part demon. She has a cat tail. And at one point, Keanu Reeves actually turned to me and said, "Man, you can't do that while I'm rehearsing. It keeps messing me up," because he kept being distracted by the tentacle under the sheet. So while they were rehearsing, he was sort of laughing with the girl and having a nice conversation. And this tentacle mechanism was completely messing him up. So it wasn't until we actually shot the scene, because he spent most of his time with his back to the girl for the actual scene, and he wasn't even looking at it. He couldn't do it. It kept cracking him up. This would work for a neck mechanism. There's a little bit of a problem when you put a large weight on the end of a tentacle. They tend to sag. They want to crush into themselves a little bit. For the hell demons in the movie Constantine, the ones that were waiting for John Constantine when he gets to hell, this is the exact same mechanism that I used for their neck mechanism, because even though tentacle mechanisms have a problem with holding too much weight on the top, they tend to sag. The script originally called for mindless demons, and the artist took that to its logical conclusion, and there was no brain pan or top of the head. It was literally just a nostril process and jaw, so the top of the head was very, very light, and I was able to use this as the neck mechanism, and it worked very well.